if else statement, and if else statement is definitely supported by every programming language as well. So if means that we are doing something. If that will not be happen, that we will go to the else if or else statement. So let's do a case that if some specific case will happen, then we'll perform that action. If that is not the case, then we will check the case 2 can be happen or not. If that will happen, that we will perform that action. If not, then we will perform some default action. You can say in else that should be happen if nothing if nothing the cases will be happened before. Then this is a flow chart of our if else, that if test expression is true, then we go to this true statement and body will be executed. If false, then we skip this body statement and we'll just print out this statement. But this print statement will be print in any case, either it will be true or false. If true means it will be true always. This is another pictorial representation or graphical representation start of if statement. If condition will be true, it will be print the body, and if that will not the case, then in the else statement, or you can say a false, then some specific else body will be printed out, and then end statement something like x is true, x contain a true. If x means x is true, so it will be print as this one. So in this case we have to print just, so in this case only x was true will be printed, because Python indentation are starting from, you can say, just 4 places, because Python indentation starts from just, you can say, 4 spaces, just like in different so just like in different languages we can have these curly brackets as well, like C++ and Java. But in Python these indentation will be considered as a, you can say, so in Python these indentation will be 4 spaces will be considered as an indentation. So in x, if x is true, then this block will be executed, and in else this complete block will be executed. So I am just printing out it for you, x was true, because x is true and this block will be executed. So this will block not be executed. If we'll pass this to a false, then these all those statements will be printed in that case. So multiple branches, we can have multiple branches if else, like if specific will, if specific condition will be true, then this branch will be executed. If this will false, this branch will be executed, some other condition can be true. And in if neither this case and nor this case, then we have the last statement will be executed in that case. Let's suppose in location we have bank, and if location is auto shop, this will be false. If location is bank, this will be true. And if not the case, let's suppose we don't have not here auto shop, here you can say a top shop, then else will be executed in that case. But in this case we have bank statement, welcome to a bank will be executed.